Welcome. Let us take two triangles. This is one triangle and we will name it as ABC, and I would like to take another triangle. We will keep the name DEF. In these two triangles, angle B is 90 degrees and angle E is 90 degrees, and the measure of AC is given, that is 5 centimeters, and the measure of DF is given, that is also 5 centimeters, and the side BC is 4 centimeters. In this triangle DEF, EF is having the measure of 4 centimeters. Observe these two figures. In these two figures, what are equal? We will write in triangle ABC comma triangle DEF, angle B is equal to angle E, that is equal to 90 degrees. This is right angle, and AC side is 5 centimeters, DF is 5 centimeters, so that we can write AC is equal to DF side. It is called as the side, hypotenuse, and BC is 4 centimeters and EF is 4 centimeters. It is taken as side. Actually, here hypotenuse is also nothing but the side, and this right angle also called as angle. Is there any property regarding SSA property? No. We have a property, that is SAS property. What is SAS property says? In a triangle, if two sides and one included angle, that means we will take a triangle. In this triangle, we have to take the two sides and the include angle between the two sides. The include angle means the angle is formed at the common vertex to the two sides. So, this is the included or inclined angle. It should have three lines. Why? Because in a triangle, if one side is denoted with one line, another one is with two lines, then definitely the third side will be denoted with three lines. So, the angle opposite to AC side is angle B. AC having three lines, that is why its opposite angle also having three lines. So, that is the fundamental thing. So, here this angle is not formed between the two sides, so that here we should not use the property SAS. Then which property we have to use? So far we have discussed SAS property, ASA property and SSS property. Is there any property applicable to these two triangles? No. So, we required one more property, that is RHS property. What is R? R is a right angle, H means hypotenuse, S means side. So, this property is applicable only for the right triangles. The remaining three properties can be applicable for all the triangles, maybe for acute, maybe for obtuse and maybe for right triangle. So, what is this RHS property says? In a right triangle, hypotenuse and the side of one triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and the side of another right triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. So, according to that property, we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. I have proved that these two triangles are congruent. If two triangles are congruent, then we can say that the corresponding parts are equal. What are the corresponding parts here? The corresponding parts are angle A is equal to angle D. Actually, we don't know the measure of angle A, but we have proved that these two triangles are congruent. That's why we can say that angle A is equal to angle D and angle C is equal to angle F, and the side AB is equal to DE. Suppose here this 4 centimeters is not given. One angle is given 60 degrees and this is also 60 degrees. Is it possible to use the property RHS? Shall we use? No. Actually, here we have right angle, but according to the definition of RHS property, we require a side, but here no side is given. That's why here we should not use RHS property. Then which property is to be used? We have two angles and one side, so we have to use ASA property. Let us take one more example. We should take two triangles. Whenever we draw the triangles, definitely we should write the names for them. So we have two triangles and this is 6 centimeters and this is 7 centimeters. The same way, here it is 6 centimeters, it is 7 centimeters. Here, which property we have to use? Actually, we have the right angle. Is it possible to use RHS property? No. Here, which property we have to use then? Two sides and one inclined angle. So, here we have to use SAS property. Like this, you have to take the examples and use the properties SAS, ASA, RHS and SSS properties. Thank you.